In this video, I am going to show you how to reset Bluehost Wordpress website. So let's get started. So this is our Bluehost website and today we are going to reset it to default. So let's see how we can do it. So at first we need to log into our WordPress website dashboard. So we will go to Bluehost portal and after that from the top we are going to click on My Sites. Next to your WordPress website you will see a Many Site button. Just click on it and after that from the top just click on Login to WordPress. And now we are in the WordPress website dashboard. So to reset our WordPress website, we need to install a WordPress plugin. So from the WordPress website dashboard, we are going to click on plugins and then click on add new. And now we are going to search for a plugin WordPress reset. And after that, we are going to install and activate this second plugin. So we are going to click on install now. Once the plugin is installed, just click on activate. So as you can see that our plugin is now installed and activated. So from the left menu, we are going to click on tools and then click on WP reset. After that, we are going to scroll down to site reset section. So here it is, and then we are going to type reset here, and after that we are going to click on reset site. Now click on reset WordPress, and as you can see that our reset is now in progress. So now our WordPress website is reset back to default. So now if I visit my WordPress website, and here you will see the default version of your WordPress website. So this was before, and after that we have reset our WordPress website to default. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.